up, Loiter? What's up, guys? It's your boy, the amazing Breezy, again and again and again and again. You know what I'm saying? And today we got another footwork tutorial. You know what I'm saying? Not another banger, another footwork tutorial. Yeah. So we don't talk too much. Okay, you've noticed that I talk a lot. Today we're gonna do Jota 2. Okay. The last tutorial, the tutorial you can see up there. Okay, we did Jota 1. Today is Jota 2. Real quick, you already have the base, the Jota. Okay, I'll show you the Jota, and in case you want the tutorial in German, just let me know in the comments. Jota 2. Okay, let's go. I'll show you first slowly and then a little bit quick. Jota 2 is the same. It's kind of the same as Jota 1. It's just the end, which is a little bit different. Okay, but you can combine that. Okay, so you want to go and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and that's it. That's Jota 2. Okay, it's just the end which is a little bit different. Okay, I decided to do it like this for you because it's a little bit simpler in this case. Okay, so we're gonna do that again a little bit quicker. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and okay, very easy. We're done. I don't even need to teach this, but since you know me, we're gonna do that real quick. Okay, so tutorial start. If you haven't seen the previous video, the Jota 1, go and see you already have the base. Okay, but for Jota 2, all you need to do is same thing. First movement, you bend. Okay, you gotta bend or you jump. Okay, you either bend or jump. Go a little bit in your knees, bend. First step, right foot, you go end on the tip of the toe, sideways, end. Okay, same thing, end. Second step, so after end, you go 1, bend, and you go on the whole foot. Okay, or the heel. Then in this case you are faster, you're quicker, you're going to be more rapid when executing a step. So again, we have in 1, then you go forward and a heel or complete foot, depends on you. If you want to be quicker, heel, then you come back on the whole foot. Okay, so that's already like the base of my most of my footwork combos. Again, from the beginning we have and 1 and 2, and then the left leg takes over. You can just cross, either you cross with the whole foot or you go with the tip of the toe or you go with the heel, depends on how you feel or how you do. Remember to use just to cross and then come back, and this is a little bit quicker, so it's and 2. Okay, and you are a little bit more open, just widen the area between your legs when you get there. Okay, so from the top we have and 1 and 2 and 3, and when you get there, what you want to do is you notice that most of my weight is on the right side of the right foot. Then I want to level up and change it to the other side, so I will jump. So you jump and cross your right foot with the left foot, and you bring your body towards the position of the left foot. Okay, so you jump and cross. Okay, that's it. Again from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3. It's like you are actually sliding, but you want to jump. Okay, because when you are here, you can feel like there is the ground pulling on you. That's just the gravity and everything, and the friction too. Just use that friction and kind of pull your legs together, like, and slide. Okay, you can also do that, but add some small jump. Okay, you want to add some small jump. Okay, and cross. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. When you reach here, all you need to do is that Afro house pas de bourrée a little bit. So you go and, but this time go a little bit more lower. Don't just go. Okay, go a little bit lower. Like I said, you need to bend, and remember to widen yourself arms. So you go and 1 and 1 okay? And then you have the 1-8, you got the Jota 2, and you can always combine that, okay? You can combine Jota 1 and Jota 2, you can do Jota 1 and then you go the Jota 2, okay? So, one last time, together, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 7, 8. And that's it, okay? I don't think I need to do this to music. Yeah, I'll just keep it short. I have a lot of other combos coming, so let me know. I'll post them gradually. Learn the different combos, learn Jota 1, learn Jota 2. You can combine them, okay? You can do them together. In case you want me to do them in one video, let me know and I'll do that for you, okay? Don't worry. In case you want the tutorial to be in German, in French, let me know too, okay? So, yeah, like I said, the link to the previous tutorial is linked either below or here up at the top. Make sure to watch that. Take care of yourself, enjoy, practice, and yeah, let me know how you find it, and see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that like button and the bell, and then you will not miss any of the videos when I get them uploaded. Okay, so yeah, I'm out. What's it, boys? I'm Amazing Breezy. See you in the next tutorial.